Ever recorded the perfect video, but your eyes keep drifting away from the camera? What if you could fix that? Without reshooting anything, I will show you how. Keep watching. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. In the latest update of Filmora, there's a powerful new feature called AI eye contact correction, and it can literally change where you're looking, using AI. Let's find out more about AI eye contact correction feature. What is AI eye contact correction? This feature uses AI to adjust your eye direction in a video, making it look like you're maintaining direct eye contact with the camera. So even if you were reading a script, looking at notes, or slightly off-center, it corrects it naturally. What is the use of AI eye contact correction? AI eye contact is incredibly useful for YouTubers who read from scripts, online educators recording lessons, business presentations and client videos, social media creators making talking head content. Basically, any situation where eye contact builds trust and engagement. How to use AI eye contact correction. Here's how to use it. Select your video clip in the timeline. Go to the video panel on the right. Under the Basic tab, scroll down to find eye contact. Click Generate. Filmora will process your clip and adjust the eye direction automatically. No manual tweaking needed. It's all AI-driven. Real use cases. YouTube videos. Fix eye contact without memorizing scripts. Online courses. Stay connected with your audience even while referencing notes. Professional content. Make presentations look more confident and polished. Reels and shorts. Better eye contact equals higher engagement. Benefits of AI eye contact correction feature. Saves time. No need to reshoot videos. Improves viewer trust and engagement. Makes content look more professional. Perfect for beginners. No editing skills needed. Pro tips for AI eye contact correction. Works best with clear face visibility and good lighting. Avoid extreme head angles. It's most natural with slight eye shifts. Combine with relight, also visible here, for even better results. Use on short clips for faster processing and better accuracy. So next time your eye contact isn't perfect, don't worry. With Filmora, AI has your back. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one.